All right, now what I'm about to do is go over how I'm preparing for the trading day tomorrow. First thing I want to look at is this daily chart of the S&P. I'm gonna pull that up right here. It's my Thinkorswim account. All right, so this is the daily chart. As you can see, we're in a stage two uptrend. Um, I've been seeing some weakness in the COT report. I'll get into that later. If y'all don't know what the COT report, I'll make another video about that. But market just made a high. Boom. Closed near the lows. This is shooting star. So this wick forming candle lets me know buyers tried it, pushed it up, couldn't hold. Sellers came in and made price close near the lows. So on big volume. So down here is the volume. As you can see, it's above that kind of gold looking line, which is the average of the past 20 days. So sellers took control over the market, made it close near the lows. Now I'm expecting some type of potentially bearish day tomorrow, just based off of that. If prices can hold below yesterday's low, since I seen bears do that. Now we're gonna take it down to my lower time frames, the 1 hour chart. So now that I got that bias, where am I looking to take trades at? If I zoom in, as you can see, that was that false breakout, that pump fake. Boom, this is the 1 hour chart where the prices take a stop. Boom, this red line, that's the demand zone. That's last week's close. We made big volume. Um, what's that? It's like a doji candle in a demand zone. So I know it's buyers down here near last week's low. So off the muscle, I'm already looking to either sell below this level or buy. So now let me get back out of this. And now we go down to my 15-minute chart. I'm seeing the same thing, but I'm just looking for precision entries and divergences with stochastics, RSI, and some good volume price action. Volume candles mixed with the price action. So, in order for me to get short tomorrow, I either need to see some type of breakdown at this pivot point, which is a supply zone, previous support, or a break below last week's close and these lows and a retest. So pretty much I'm looking for a pullback, some type of reaction to get short. In order to get long, I need to see some bullish divergence when we test these lows on this 15-minute chart. And I also want to see it on my 1 minute chart as well. When we go to the 1 minute, it's the same thing. When I zoom out, accumulation going on, whatever this is right here, I'm looking to play the breakouts to the upside or downside either way. And now, as you can see a little bit better on the chart, this red line here, boom, not that one, that's last week's low, but this one here, boom, excuse me. Also, we'll be looking to play this level right here in order to get long. If we come down into this level and I see bullish divergence on my stochastics and RSI, then I'm looking for pinpoint interest to get long, especially if I get some bullish internals. Now, um, once I see bullish internals off the meat rack, I'm looking for longs, buys. If not, and I get confirming internals to the downside, boom. Like I said, I'm looking for a reaction back up to here or yesterday's close, which is that purple dotted line, and I'm looking to sell. Now that's my 1 minute chart. I'm just looking for confirmations on that chart and entries. But this is my 1,000 tick chart. I got this pulled up because I get like precision entries off this chart as well. Boom, that's last week's low. I gotta drag that demand down here, kind of tighten that up. I can put that down here. But yeah, and if we break to the upside, then boom. I'm looking to fade yesterday's open. It's that simple, or last week's high. We break above that. Bullish internals, I may buy at last yesterday's open, or fade R2 or the previous day high. Now, if we get bullish internals with good volume coming into the market, then of course I'm gonna be looking to buy instead of sell. But for the most part, tomorrow I got a bearish bias. Now, if we come into the market and I got bullish internals and I see some type of strong breakout to the upside above the pivot point, then of course, yes, I would change my bias. But it's pretty much that straightforward and that simple how I prepare for the trading day. And I won't go over all my biases, but I just want y'all to see kind of how I prepare for the day and how easy it is to form trades around your bias. So tomorrow I'll be showing y'all a video once I take a trade of what I end up doing, and we'll see how everything works out. Catch y'all tomorrow.